Today I'm showing you how to start mushroom farming from scratch, even if you have no land, no money, and no experience. This is 2025 and mushroom farming is one of the most practical, scalable, and profitable businesses you can start right now. Let's get into it. Mushrooms aren't just food, they're a superfood. They grow fast, don't need soil, and you can farm them in small, dark spaces like a room, a shed, or even under your bed. What makes them awesome? Low startup cost, high market demand harvest in just 20 to 30 days and really solid profit margins. The secret? You're not farming land, you're farming conditions. That's the key to understanding mushrooms. So how do you actually start from zero? Step 1, choose your mushroom type. Begin with oyster mushrooms. They're super beginner friendly, grow fast, and everyone wants them from local markets to fancy restaurants. When you're comfortable, you can try button shiitake or even medicinal mushrooms. Next, here's your basic starter kit mushroom spawn. Think of it like the seed, a growing medium like straw or sawdust plastic grow bags or buckets, a dark, clean room with some moisture and a spray bottle for humidity. Throw in a thermometer and hygrometer if you want to get fancy, but honestly, you can start with $50 to $100. Now, the substrate. That's what your mushrooms will grow on, usually pasteurized straw or sawdust. Boil or soak your straw in hot water to kill any nasty stuff. Drain it, cool it, then mix in your spawn and pack it tightly into your grow bags. Label the date, stack the bags in a clean shaded spot, and you're set. Next, incubation. Keep those bags in dark, warm conditions around 22 to 28 degrees Celsius for about 2 weeks. Don't open them, just let the white threads, that's the mycelium, spread inside. When your bag's fully white, it's time for fruiting. Move it somewhere with light and humidity. Cut small holes in the bags, spray 2 or 3 times daily. In a few days, mushrooms will start popping out. Harvest when the edges curl up, usually 5 to 7 days later. Boom, you just grew your first crop from zero to harvest in under a month. Who buys your mushrooms? Local veggie vendors, health food stores, organic cafes, hotels, restaurants, even your neighbors. Pack them neatly, keep them clean and dry, add a sticker with your farm name. Word of mouth is your best marketing tool. A few mistakes to avoid: don't use dirty water. Don't skip pasteurization. Don't overwater or let the bags dry out. Mushrooms are delicate, treat them like babies. Check them twice a day. Clean everything, be patient. Once you've done one cycle, reinvest your profit, get more bags, maybe a humidifier, better shelving, a small fan. Try mushroom powder, dried mushrooms, or even medicinal types for wellness shops. Scale slowly and always focus on quality. So that's it, mushroom farming from scratch in 2025. You don't need acres, you don't need millions, you need one room, one plan, and the courage to start. Drop a comment if you're thinking of starting, and I'll reply with tips, like if this helped. Subscribe for more real business guides every week. Now go build your farm one bag at a time.